Hello friends, and welcome to my belated update for Paranormal Pantivity. If you are interested in seeing this update, delayed, then stay tuned for the video. Alright, this is Paranormal Pantivity. It is a Fantastic Ladies collab group project. It was created by Andrea at Pretty as a Peacock, and it started on September 24th and goes until September 24th and updated thereabouts. You can update monthly or bi-monthly. I have been doing mine monthly. And yeah, you are to roll in 6 products or all at once and work on it how you want, either roulette or rolling or down the line as I am doing. So let's get into the update and see where we are. By the way, September 24th was National Ghost Hunting Day. So if you're into that thing, then let's get going. All right. First product I am still working on is for the prompt Screaming Skulls, and that is a Halloween or scary themed item. For that, I brought in my Venom palette, and I am working on the shade Silent Killer. It is this shade right here. I will give you a swatch. It is a beautiful metallic gunmetal gray. And there you go. I am wearing it today on the outer corner of my eye look and along my lower lash line. My goal is with most products in this project to use it 13 times. And so far, I forgot to mark today's use. I lost my pencil. There it is. I have used it 7 times. Woohoo! 7. So we are halfway to my goal of using this 13 times. It's not a shadow I reach for every day, but I do enjoy it very much. So yeah, this is going to stay in, and I will continue to try and get more use on it in the coming days. I'm trying to balance a lot of projects, and I'm working on figuring out how to do that. Next is for the prompt Banshee, something that is close to finishing, and I brought this in a couple months ago thinking it was close to finishing. It is my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, and it is all gone. I have finally finished it. I have used it 7 times over the last month, and I have used it, that would make 15, 25, 30, 33 times in total. No, more than that, because that says 31 plus 6 plus 7. So that's 38 times in this project. Ooh, I can math. That's okay. So yes, I used it 38 times since bringing this into the project, and it is now finally finished. Yay. Just in time, because I have a new one available at Ulta for me to pick up. So that is rolling out. Goal complete. The next one is for Kelpie, and that is something you use in the shower or bath, and I am working on your Not Your Mother's Tahitian Gardenia and something shampoo. I did not grab it because I've only used it once since the last update. Bringing me to 6 total uses. I have 13 uses, so that's 7 more uses to go. And I'm sure there was no change in 1 use. I was going to decant some into a travel bottle, but then I found I had a travel size that I wanted to get done, so we'll see. It'll be done before the end of the project, no doubt, but I did not get much use out of it this month. Just once I was using another shampoo. Next is for Demon, something you were tempted into buying, and for me that is the Super Shock Shadow. I only have one, yeah, it is in the Ultra Glitter in the shade Plume. I had heard lots of people talk about Super Shock shadows, and I figured I would give in and buy one, and I'm, less than impressed, but it is still lovely. I probably just haven't given it much use, but there is a swatch of it there. It's sort of a peachy base with gold, with pink glitters in it. I have used it once, apparently. I thought I'd used it twice, but I only marked it as once, so I'm going to go with that. I have 12 more uses to go on that, so yeah, we'll work on it. It'll get love, or you know, or not. We'll see. It'll get some love. Next is for the prompt ectoplasm, and that is to bring in a face mask. And the only face mask I currently have in my collection is this sample I got from Ulta for my birthday gift. And it is the Dermalogical Multivitamin Power Recovery Mask. Since bringing this in, I have used it 3 times. I brought it in last month, and it was full when we brought it in, and now it is right down to there. So I probably have 1, maybe 2 masks left, and it's hard to tell. There's some sticking to the sides, so it may be hollow in the middle, and that means there may be only 1. But this is a nice hydrating mask. I've never really used hydrating masks before, and I'm really enjoying this one. So this is going to stay in and have a couple more uses. Next is for the prompt Ghost, and that is a product with unfinished business, aka something you previously panned but did not hit goal on. Inspiration to Emily and Max. And for that, I brought in my Thrive Cosmetics Lip Fuller Lip Liner in Gislin. There's this guy here. It is a plummy purple shade. I had it previously in 50 Shades of Purple and did not meet my goal to use it however many times I was going to use it. There is a swatch of it there. Yeah, and I am bringing it in for 13 uses. I don't normally wear lip liner, but I'm trying to use it. I find it does help mix some and tone down or change the color of some lip colors. I am wearing it today underneath another lip color, and I've used it twice so far, today being the 2nd time. So hopefully I will get some more use out of that and get my 13 uses. So those are the 6 products I'm been working on, and now I rolled out 1, so I'm going to roll in 1, and hopefully I will stay on track to get this finished. And I'm just going down the list. The next one on the list is Necromancer, and it's something you haven't used in a long time. For this, I am bringing in my LA Girl Pro Primer High Definition Eyeshadow Primer. It's a stick eyeshadow primer in the shade Nude, I think it is. Yes, Nude, and I have swatched it here on my hand. I was just checking to make sure it is still creamy, and it is. It is just a lovely, very pigmented stick eyeshadow primer, and I am going to bring it in for 13 uses because, you know, that's been working for me, and I'm not going to stop now. So that is everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, or just a little ghosty emoji. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!